Welcome to Raj Online Trainings. In the series of UI Full Stack Web Development, let us go with one more new topic in this video, that is CSS. We are going to start off with CSS in this video, and in this video we are going to just understand about the need of going for CSS, that is CSS introduction. Now, what is this CSS is? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS stands for what? Cascading Style Sheets. And the main need of going with CSS is CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on the browser screen. How we want to display the HTML elements onto the browser screen. And when we use CSS, CSS saves a lot of work. Now, let us understand how to go with CSS and what is this, how HTML elements are to be displayed on browser screen. Let us understand with a sample example. If you take a HTML file, the root tag of HTML file is HTML. In this, we go with the body section. In body section, let us suppose we are creating some paragraphs. We are creating a paragraph. I am paragraph 1. Like that. We are creating one more paragraph. I am paragraph 2. Like that, we are creating totally 10 paragraphs. We are totally creating 10 paragraphs. Now, we want to align all this paragraph to be center aligned. We want to align this paragraph to be center aligned. Then we can make use of an attribute along with the p element, align equal to center. Again, for second paragraph also we need to say align equal to center. Like that, for 10th paragraph also we have to say align equal to center. So we are using this align equal to center how many times here? 10 times. So this only we call redundant code. What is the meaning of redundant? Same code repeating multiple times. So instead of writing p align equal to center 10 times, we can make use of CSS. How to write this CSS code is, in between HTML tag, we have to go with head section. In between head section, we have to use the tag style. In between head section, we have to use which tag? Style tag. In the between this style tag, we have to provide the styles here. So for which element you want to provide style? For p element. So go with the element name, p element, open and close curly braces. Then in between this open and close curly braces, we have to provide the text property. That is text align, the CSS property, what we call it as CSS property, colon, and the value. What is the value? Center. These are all predefined style properties. Text align is a predefined style property. Center value is also predefined style property. Now, whenever we are using p element, the alignment will be what here? Center alignment. So now we can remove this align equal to center. Now, in our program, whenever we use p element, the alignment will be center. You need not write align equal to center 10 times here. That's the meaning here. CSS describes how HTML elements, what is our element? P element, how HTML elements are to be displayed on browser screen. How you want to display? Center align. So providing the styles like this step of code only we call CSS, and it's going to save a lot of work to us. Now, let us write the complete example code for this. Let us write the complete code. CSS example1.html. Open Visual Studio Code. I've created a folder CSS programs. In that, let us create a new file. I'm going with the name CSS example1.html. Start writing the code. Take the template, exclamation, press enter key. Now here, let us go with the CSS example. In body section, let us create heading 3. I am heading. And let us go with a paragraph. I am paragraph 1. Let us create one more paragraph. I am paragraph 2. We are creating one heading and 2 paragraphs here. Now, whenever we use heading tag, we want to go with center aligned, and paragraph element we want to go with right aligned. Then in between head section, make use of style tag. Here, for which element you want to provide styles? H3. Then open and close curly braces. Then provide the style property, text align, and the value. See the goodness of Visual Studio Code. It's going to give the suggestions, the property name and values. I want to go with the color of the text. We'll say color red. Now for P element, we'll say text align right, and the color of the text will say blue here. Now whenever we use H3 tag, the alignment will be center and the color will be red, and whenever we use paragraph tag, the alignment will be right and the color will be blue. Now open this file in browser, right click and say open in browser. See, you are getting the results. See, heading is coming in center aligned red color and the paragraphs are coming in right aligned in blue color. So whenever we want to write CSS code, it's very simple. In between head section, make use of style tag. In between style tag, take the HTML element name and provide the properties, the style properties and the value of the style properties. Right? So this is the basic introduction of CSS. So in the next videos, we'll be going with the other topics of CSS, what are the other styles are present and what are CSS selecteds, the different ways of inserting CSS like internal style sheets, external style sheets, inline style sheets. So we'll be learning a lot of things on this CSS in the next videos. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.